Imagine yourself in this Dodge 2019 Durango GT. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, GPS antenna input, integrated center stack radio, integrated voice command with Bluetooth, radio, Uconnect 4/7 display, air conditioning, automatic temperature control and front dual zone AC. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.